बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. On behalf of the International Islamic Propagation Center, I welcome you all to this auspicious gathering, a gathering of those who are keen to follow the way of their Lord, Allah, the Omnipotent. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the International Islamic Propagation Center, on your behalf and on my personal behalf, I welcome Mr. Ahmad Deedat to this gathering. It is a very happy occasion for us to have him amongst us as our chief guest today. To start with our proceedings, I shall now request the founder of International Islamic Propagation Center, Mr. Muhammad Sheikh, to come to the rostrum and recite verses from the Holy Quran. Mr. Muhammad Sheikh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. صدق الله العظيم. The translation: in the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Praise to be Allah, the cherisher and sustainer of the worlds. Most gracious, most merciful, master of the day of judgment. Thee do we worship and thine aid we seek. Show us the straight way, the way of those on whom thou hast bestowed thy grace, thou whose portion is not wrath, and who go not astray. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, Allah the Almighty has been very kind in blessing Mr. Ahmad Deedat with vast knowledge not only about Islam, which is his own religion, but also with the knowledge about Christianity, Judaism and Hinduism. He not only propagates Islam throughout the world, but has also on several occasions appeared on BBC, the American Broadcasting Corporation, in interviews and debates with the scholars of other theologies. Allah has been his guide, and he has always won the debates against the scholars of other religions. He frequently travels throughout the world, inviting all to listen to his talks and conclude themselves about the righteous path and the wrong one. His video cassettes of lectures and interviews and his pamphlets on subjects related to matters as stated in other religious books are available in ample quantity throughout the world. I must mention here that the Saudi Arabian government has awarded him the Shah Faisal Award for his services to Islam. His personality seeks no introduction to you all, and that's all I can say about him, as I have no words to describe his great person. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Muhammad Sheikh of International Islamic Propagation Center will present a shield on behalf of the center to Mr. Ahmed Deedat. On this shield is embossed the insignia of the Shah Faisal Award, which was awarded to Mr. Ahmed Deedat. To tell you very briefly about the International Islamic Propagation Center, it has been established by Mr. Muhammad Sheikh. The gentleman standing on the dais now with the shield in his hand. His center is using advanced media of video cassettes as publicity material for dawah, that is Islamic propagation, and has now become one of the most popular approaches to reach out into the homes of the population. The center has more than 100 different programs of various Muslim scholars of international repute, which will inspire you, teach you, and bring people closer to the truth of Allah, inshallah. And now, ladies and gentlemen, not to stand between you and Mr. Ahmed Deedat, I request him to come to the rostrum and deliver his lecture. Mr. Ahmed Deedat. I would request you, ladies and gentlemen, to rise and give this gentleman a standing ovation.
الحمد لله وحده والصلاة والسلام على من لا نبي بعده اللهم يا مفتح الأبواب ويا مسبب الأسباب ويا دليل الحائرين توكلت عليك يا رب العالمين وأفوض أمري إلى الله إن الله بصير بالعباد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وَإِنَّكَ لَعَلَى خُلُقٍ عَظِيمٍ صدق الله العظيم. My dear brothers and sisters, the subject of this evening's talk is Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the greatest.